Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, VMware has finally released its latest version, which is 26H1, and you must be wondering how to unlock the macOS guest operating system on it. So, in this short video, I will help you unlock the macOS guest operating system on the latest 26H1 version. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 installer file and the macOS unlocker for 26H1. I will provide all the links in the video description below. So once both the files are downloaded, we will begin by installing VMware Workstation Pro 26H1. So the steps are very basic. Just follow the on-screen instructions and install it. Once installed, let's first check whether it has macOS guest operating system installed by default. So as you can see, there is no Apple macOS guest operating system. Now, we will use our macOS unlocker and unlock the macOS guest operating system. Moving on, go back to the downloaded files. Now, right-click on the macOS unlocker zip file and then click on Extract All. Once extracted, you will see this folder. Now, locate the unlocker.exe file. Now, right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Once the macOS Unlocker tool opens up, you will see this interface. So, under the VMware install location, click on the Browse button. Now, locate the address where you have installed VMware Workstation Pro. So this is usually your C drive, Program Files, VMware, and there you will see your VMware Workstation Pro folder. So once the folder is located, click on OK. Now, under the VMware x64 folder, click on the Browse button. So this folder is located in the same location. So go to your C drive, Program Files, VMware, VMware Workstation Pro, and followed by x64 folder. Once selected, click on OK. Once both the locations are set, click on the Patch button. So this will take a while and your macOS guest operating system will be patched. Once the patch is successfully applied, you can close the macOS unlocker. Great. Now, open VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 and check whether the patching is successful. So as you can see, we now have a macOS guest operating system on your latest VMware Workstation Pro 26H1. You can now run any macOS of your choice on your VMware. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.